Most people, when they hear the term artificial intelligence, think of massive projects, multi-billion-dollar companies, and scary-looking code. But the truth that gets talked about less is this. The real power of artificial intelligence lies exactly in small, practical tools, things that can make our daily lives simpler. Imagine being able, with just a few lines of code, to summarize a text that would take half an hour to read in just a few seconds, not as a flashy demo, but as a real tool you actually use. That's exactly what we're going to do today. We're not going to dive into unnecessary complexity, heavy architectures, or dependencies on dozens of libraries. We start the program using 3 Python libraries. If you don't have any of them, install them first and then import them. The NLTK library is used for natural language processing and splitting the text into sentences. NumPy is used for working with arrays and numerical calculations, and the TF-IDF tool determines which words are more important for summarization. Here, we download the ready-made datasets needed to detect sentence boundaries and split the text into sentences. Next, we define the main function of the program, which takes the input text and returns a summary. Note that you can change the number of sentences in the summary. Here, we've set it to 5. We define a condition so that if the number of sentences is too small, summarization doesn't really make sense at all. At this stage, we remove unnecessary words. Then, for each sentence, we build a numerical vector. As a result, more important words get larger values. After that, we sum the scores of the words in each sentence, rank the sentences, and finally select the most important ones. Finally, we define a condition so that the code only runs when the program is executed directly. In the end, you can compare the original text, which I've placed here, with the summarized output.